Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what my current winter skincare routine is, and this is from the shower to my face. So in the shower, I shave with the EOS Evolution of Smooth Shave Cream, and this has mango butter, coconut oil, shea butter. It's super smooth and it does not lather, which I actually like, so it kind of feels like an in-shower lotion, and I love shaving with that. So for body wash, I've been using the Dove Purely Pampering body wash, and it's in the pistachio scent, and it smells so good. Again, this doesn't lather, it feels more like a lotion, which I really love in the winter because it's moisturizing. And then while I'm in the shower, I actually cover myself head to toe in coconut oil. So I keep a spoon right in the jar in the shower, and I just kind of spoon it out and then lather it over my entire body. And I just love doing this because then I don't have to get out of the shower when it's cold and put lotion on. So that's just a little trick that I have been loving for the winter. And for my face, I usually use this Face Soap and Clarity Face Wash by Soap & Glory. And I love the little pink like exfoliating beads in there because they're very, very gentle. So it makes it the perfect everyday face wash. I love using this in the morning. I really feel like it gives my skin that fresh feeling and kind of wakes me up a bit. It does have a bit of a strange smell at first. It kind of smells like chemically a little bit, but I find that the more you use it, the less you notice the scent. So after I wash my face and rinse, I love using the Thayers Witch Hazel alcohol-free toner in the cucumber scent. This stuff is amazing, and I just put it on a cotton pad and then apply it all over my face. It really just makes my face feel clean, and I feel like it kind of makes my pores look smaller, and I've just absolutely been loving it. And I find for the winter, since it does have aloe in it, it doesn't dry my skin out at all. So then to moisturize my face, I love the Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer. You guys have seen this on my channel since day one. It is my go-to. No matter what I switch up in my skincare, this one product always seems to stay the same. So I always apply that. And then for my lips, I am just applying some Carmex. This is the original, I think it's a classic lip balm, and I love applying that in the winter. This is the only thing that keeps my lips moisturized and from cracking, so always applying that. And then for my thicker moisturizer, I've been loving the Origins Ginzing. It's like an energizing booster, and it's very smooth. You don't need a lot at all, so that's another thing I like about it, because it is a pricier product, but it's very worth it, and I find you don't need much, so a little goes a long way. And none of these products are greasy, by the way, guys. They're just really fresh feeling, and those are the types of products I generally go towards. So for my eyes, I'm using the Origins Plantations, I think it's called, eye cream, and love this stuff. Apply that all over my eyes, and that is it for my skincare. After that, I will go in with my makeup, but for today's video, that's all I have. So love you guys so much. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.